What's going on, Faded Culture? It's Sergio Barron, and we're back again with another Sergio. I don't know what the I said here. What's going on, Faded Culture? It's Sergio Barron, and we're back again with another haircut tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to take my boy Chris from this to this. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so to start this taper fade, I'm gonna go ahead and close the lever on that clipper all the way down to a true 0 to lay down our first guideline. Now once that guideline is set, I'm gonna go ahead and open the lever on that clipper to a half, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my next guideline coming up about a finger in width. Next, I'm gonna throw on that 1 guard lever still all the way open, and again, just like before, I'm gonna come up about another finger in width from that previous line. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that 1.5 clip lever all the way open, and I'm gonna start just blending a little bit higher than where we previously were. And the last guard I'm gonna use is this 2 guard lever all the way open, and here I'm just more so blending outwards, as you see here, trying to connect the side to the top. And anything else that's left to be blended, I'm gonna just come in with my clipper over comb technique, kind of scooping outwards and blending or cutting anything that sticks out over the comb. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the half clip with the lever at 3/4, and I'm gonna focus on blending out that top guideline. As you see, you have 2 guidelines. I'm gonna start with that middle one and then work my way down. But take note that this guard and this lever position won't completely take out this middle guideline. So next I'm gonna throw on that 1 guard, and I'm gonna still leave that lever on that 3/4 position to finish taking out that middle guideline. And that 3/4 position, guys, all it really is the lever between half and fully open. And now for that last guideline, I'm gonna start blending with the clipper lever closed and no guard, and then I'm gonna open the lever halfway, continue blending a little higher than previously, and then last we'll just open it all the way. And then by this point you shouldn't need much blending, but we'll go back in there and really detail anything that's left behind. And next you're just gonna come in with your trimmers to take out the rest of the bottom of the hair, and then just follow that with your electric shaver to get this the fade down to the skin. And take note, guys, that all these tools and all the steps will be left down in the description for y'all in written format. So here I'm just going with a little freehand motion just to kind of detail any little frizz that I see here that was left behind. And if y'all find yourselves having difficulty with seeing where y'all need to blend, y'all can go ahead and use some hair clips as I did here, so y'all can move that hair out the way. And again, just like on the other side, we're starting with that clipper lever closed to set in our first guideline. And then we're repeating the exact same steps, guys. Next is that half, so that lever all the way open, then the 1 guard with the lever all the way open, then that 1.5 lever all the way open, and then that 2 guard lever all the way open. And in case y'all are wondering, my clippers and my trimmers are 0 gapped. I always 0 gap my clippers and my trimmers, just because I feel like that helps when blending out these bald fades. But yeah, guys, just like before, we're left with those 2 guidelines. That middle one, we're gonna take them out with that half clip and that 1 clip, both lever positions at 3/4. And then for that last guideline, we're taking it out with that clipper lever closed, then halfway, and then fully open, just gradually moving up a little at a time until it's completely blended out. Then just come in with your trimmers and your electric shavers to get this fade down to the skin. And also, guys, if y'all haven't already, please feel free to check out our store at fadedculture.co, where we have a bunch of merch for sale, barber products and barber tools. I hope y'all like them. Let me know what y'all think about them. If y'all do decide to purchase, I'd greatly appreciate it. And just keep in mind that everything that y'all ever will see us put out, we try to bring y'all the best of quality. But now for the back taper, as y'all see, he had more of excess hair towards the back, so I came in with that 1.5 clip lever all the way open, just to kind of help me debulk a lot of this unwanted hair. And then you're ready to lay down your first guideline. Again, guys, just like we did on the sides, we're starting with that clipper lever all the way closed, then we open it all the way. Next, I'm gonna throw on that 1 guard, still with that lever all the way open, just again coming up about another finger width in length from that previous line. And also guys, really quick, any suggestions on any other type of haircut that y'all would like to see us put out there, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. And also let me know if y'all would like to see me do tutorials with another certain type of clipper. I'd love to put out any kind of content that y'all want me to. And just like as we did on the sides, I'm coming in with that clipper over comb technique. Make sure that you flare out and you're basically just sculpting the shape that you want. So you're not gonna just dig it in too deep. You're gonna kind of scoop it in, scoop out, and then whatever hair that comb does grab is what you will trim away. And then just like on the side, you have your two guidelines that need to be blended out. That top one, again, come in with that half guard and that one guard, both lever positioned at 3/4 to finish taking it out. And just use more so the corners of your clipper so you can better get in there in a more detailed fashion, and it kind of helps you from taking out too much hair at a time. It's just you're gradually blending out that line a little at a time until you find that fade that you're looking for. And then for that last guideline down at the bottom, again starting with the clipper lever closed, then halfway, and then fully open until you achieve that nice blend. Oh, and guys, really quick, we will be hosting our first live seminar at Fort Worth October 15th. So I really liked or would love to meet a lot of you if y'all want to make it out there to the show, or to the seminar. I wish it was a show, but to the seminar, just go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and leave down in the comments, in the description, a link to the tickets. But then here we're just taking out the rest of the bottom of the hair with our trimmers, and then following that up with our electric shaver just to get that bald fade effect. And then I'm gonna start combing down the edges of the hairline so that we can line them up. And I'm gonna come in with my trimmers and just get more. You want to stay as natural as possible with it. So just use the corners of the clipper, move that ear out the way, and just line it up as clean as possible. And for the front hairline, he wanted to keep a lot of the bangs, so I just kind of moved them out with the hair clip, and then just combed down the rest of the hairline and went ahead and sprayed it with this spritz, brushed it down with my blow dryer just to get that really dried up and hardened up so that we can come in with our electric shavers. And that spritz, all it does is harden up the hair so that it's not moving around when you're coming in with your trimmers to shape out that hairline. And when you're setting in that hairline, make sure that you're continuously stepping back, getting a good broad view of the hairline, and just so they can get it as straight as possible across his forehead. And then we're just gonna go ahead and start prepping our razor blade with our very own straight razor holder and our very own Faded Culture Platinum razors. Again guys, these are double-edged razors. Y'all can go ahead and find them at fadedculture.co if y'all like to purchase them. But if y'all do, I like to snap the sides of each razor, and I go ahead and just slide it in the front of our Faded Culture Turkish razor, and just to prepare it. And we're also using our very own Faded Culture shaving gel. I really love the scent of this shaving gel and been getting a lot of really good feedback on it, so I hope y'all enjoy it just as much as we're loving it. So like I said, if y'all like to check it out, they're on the store live now at fadedculture.co. But then first here for the hairline guys, I like to shave down most of the hair and the excess shave gel, and then I'll go ahead and start shaving against the hard lines to get them really detailed, and then I shave against the grain just to get that much of a deeper shave so that shave could just last that much longer. And guys, if y'all do so happen to purchase some of our products or tools, make sure that y'all tag us on Instagram so we can go ahead and reshare it, and just be honest and let us know what y'all think. We'd love to hear y'all's feedback on it. And also just thank y'all so much for all the love and the support that we've received over the past couple years. Y'all don't understand how much that makes us feel, how good that makes us feel, man. That kind of love just goes a long ways with us, and we couldn't have done all this without y'all, so thank y'all so much. But yeah guys, before I start crying, you're just gonna want to go ahead and finish the backside of the ears with your straight razor. Get it as sharp as possible, and make sure you shave against the grain just to get that hairline as sharp as possible. Then once you're done, we just blow dry everything, and if wanted, y'all don't have to, go ahead and mix equal parts of hair dye with water in an airbrush compressor and go ahead and enhance those edges if y'all like. I went ahead and added a small little line on the back just to kind of accent the back taper. If y'all are uncomfortable with using y'all's trimmers as they were like a pencil, and go ahead and just kind of draw it in on paper and kind of just trace it with the clipper till you start getting more comfortable with that type of motion, if that makes sense. And just feel free to freestyle. There's no right or wrong design out there. You just gotta use your imaginations and just practice. And I always use my razor to finish and sharpen up any kind of lines that I do, and apply some hair fibers also to make it pop that much harder. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna show y'all the before really quick, and now here's the after. I hope y'all really enjoyed these steps on a bald taper fade on curly hair, guys. If y'all did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what y'all did or didn't like about the video, or how I can better help y'all in the next videos. But again, guys, my name is Sergio Barron. This is Faded Culture, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. So peace.